Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I recently had the incredible opportunity to tour the luxurious model homes at Valencia Harbor, an exclusive 55 plus community by GL Homes nestled in stunning Fort Myers, Florida. If you've ever envisioned a retirement fulfilled with elegance, vibrant social connections, and resort style living, Valencia Harbor is where your dreams become reality. This channel focuses on everything to do with buying, selling, investing, and living here in beautiful Southwest Florida. I would love to partner with you on your real estate journey, so give me a call or text anytime 239-266-9012 to chat. All right, now on to the tour. Let's begin with the Shoreline collection, offering elegant design and thoughtful layouts. The Exuma model features 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, and a 2-car garage, encompassing 1,844 square feet. Its open concept design includes a gourmet kitchen with quartz or granite countertops, elegant ceramic floor tiles, and upscale bathrooms. Structural options include a screened and covered patio, perfect for enjoying Florida's beautiful weather. Next, the Eleuthera model offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage with 2,027 square feet. This home boasts a spacious great room and a den, perfect for a home, office, or hobby space. Structural options include an extended garage for additional storage or workspace. The Bonaire model includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, totaling 2,100 square feet. Its design emphasizes comfort and style, featuring a large great room and a den. Structural options include an extended garage, providing extra space for your needs. Moving on to the Marina collection, these homes offer additional space and luxurious features. The Tortuga model presents 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a den, and a 3-car garage with 2,076 square feet. Its open layout is perfect for entertaining, and the den provides a quiet retreat. Structural options include an extended garage for more storage and workspace. Next, experience the Grenada model, featuring 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a den, and a 3-car garage with 2,470 square feet. Its elegant design and ample space makes it ideal for hosting guests. Structural options include an extended garage for additional convenience. Next, step into the Antigua model, offering 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a den, and a 2-car garage, encompassing 2,342 square feet. The spacious great room and gourmet kitchen make this home a chef's dream. Structural options include an extended garage to suit your lifestyle. Finally, the Bayside Collection offers expansive homes with premium features. We're going to start with the Barbados model. The Barbados model includes 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a clubroom, and a 3-car garage, totaling 2,643 square feet. The clubroom adds versatility, perfect for a media room or additional living space. Structural options include converting the clubroom into another bedroom and bathroom, or adding a tub to the primary bathroom. The Bahama model boasts 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a den, and a 3-car garage, encompassing 3,116 square feet. It's the largest model, offering ample room for family and guests. Structural options include flexible living spaces to suit your needs. Next, discover the Belize model, offering 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a home office, and a 2-car garage with 2,719 square feet. Unique to this model is the golf cart garage and storage, catering to your active lifestyle. Structural options include converting the golf cart garage into a hobby room or modifying the primary bathroom to delete the tub. Excited to see these beautiful homes and amenities in person? I'd love to show you around. Book your personal tour of Valencia Harbor today by calling me directly at 239-266-9012 or scan the QR code on the screen to get more information on this beautiful community. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join me as we explore the best real estate and lifestyle opportunities Fort Myers has to offer. Your perfect dream lifestyle is waiting. Let's discover it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.